discharge cargo. Precautions for increasing rate. If discharging rate is increased, inform the berth master as well as the officers and crew on deck. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge in CCR and the manifold while increasing RPM. When increasing pump RPM, maintain communication with ECR engineer and keep watch of boiler pressure throughout the cargo work. Responsible officer must operate the cargo pump using the remote control lever in the CCR. Make the delivery pressure of all pumps the same and avoid any unbalance causing blockage in flow if cargo was discharged by some pumps in parallel. Crew stationed on deck and in the pump room should check cargo lines and pump condition frequently. They should report to CCR if there are any abnormalities. Increase the discharging rate while maintaining communications with berth master. Duty engineer must monitor the boiler steam pressure and inform CCR duty officer if he estimates the boiler steam pressure is not enough to increase the revolution further. To maintain safe and smooth cargo operation, CCR and ECR should maintain close communications throughout the cargo work. Crew on deck must keep watch on all pipelines strictly until discharging rate reaches maximum. Once discharging operation becomes steady, the chief officer will inform all crew on deck to switch to normal duty watch.